My shift was supposed to start around 8 a.m. so I decided to wake up a few hours earlier at 3 so I can do my daily morning routine. I started my morning off with a little jog just to get things going because you know I would be sitting in my car all day. I followed that up with just a simple little workout. I did 120 solid curls, 40 deadlifts, and 3 push-ups to get those arms ready for, you know, all those Starbucks orders I was about to deliver. Last but definitely not least, I had to get in a healthy breakfast to top off my successful morning routine. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how I became a thousandaire.
I'm really rich.
So if any of you guys really want to become a thousandaire, I'm telling you, just follow this simple daily morning routine. It'll get you there in no time. Hello everyone, my name is Mikhail Tribunski, and on this channel I talk about personal finance, different types of side hustles, and how you can also save some money. And in today's video, I will be trying out Grubhub. Yes, I do remember when I said that I won't be doing Grubhub because it's a little complicated to sign up. Turns out it's actually very simple and easy. So I decided to sign up and see what it's all about. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how much I made working for Grubhub for 8 hours. For today's video, I decided to do a challenge. So my challenge is to earn $20 per hour. And if I don't, I have to give $50 to someone who comments down below. But the question, did I earn $20 per hour? You will have to wait and see at the end of this video. Well, so when the clock hit 8 a.m., I turned my availability to available. It took only about a few minutes for me to actually get my first order. During that time, I was in the middle of my breakfast, and you know, breakfast is really important to me, so I could not stop it. So I decided to finish my breakfast and get going. Well, that was a little bit of a mistake maybe. Reason why is because on the way to McDonald's, I actually got notification from Grubhub saying that they assigned me from the order because I took too long. But honestly, that was fine because just a few seconds later, I got another order from Wendy's, which to be honest was actually even better than the McDonald's order. Yes, hello, I'm picking up a Grubhub order for Keith. Alrighty, so finally have some time to talk. Today, I'm actually doing Grubhub, and for anyone who's watching who's thought about doing Grubhub, just to let you guys know, this is my first day of doing Grubhub. I've never done it before. It is currently 8:18, so I'm picking up my first order 18 minutes since my shift has started. I have no clue what to expect. The morning was going pretty well, except until about 9:40, which I'm not sure exactly what happened. My thoughts are maybe I was in a bad location, maybe something else, but I wasn't receiving any orders, and there was actually a gap between my deliveries. I delivered an order around 9:40, and then the next one that I delivered was actually at 10:40, so there was about an hour gap between the two deliveries. And during this 1 hour break, I did have someone to motivate me, someone very special, and that was actually my son. He motivated, telling me that everything's gonna be great, you're gonna get your next order. And lo and behold, that's exactly what happened, because when 10:40 hit, I got an order, and after that it was non-stop. I was getting order after order after order.
Another one, another one, another one.
From there on, there was not a single break that I could probably have, unless like maybe there was something very important, like a, you know, like maybe a food review. And honestly, all the orders were paying great. It was a range from like $8 or $9 to $15 per order. And these orders were not hard to deliver. Some of them were actually fairly close, and they were pretty quick. And I won't be going into detail of all the little orders that I was receiving. Like I said, I was getting an order after an order, so I had no time to mess around. before I even had time to head over to downtown, I actually just got another order from, I think it was Carl's Jr. So I'm heading over there right now. It's about a 5-minute drive, and the drop-off should be around the corner. It shouldn't be too far. As much as I don't really want to go to downtown just because of parking, I just don't like being downtown when it comes to delivering. Of course, money-wise, it's great, but everything else, not so great. I'm picking a Grubhub order for Tyler. Oftentimes I do hear from other drivers that deliver, they say that they accept orders only over $8. Since it was my first day, I didn't want to mess up my acceptance rate too much. I decided to accept every order that came my way. There were a few orders that I was not able to deliver because the food wasn't ready, but besides that, I accepted every single one of the orders that came my way. Can one of you guys please just tell me, am I the only one who absolutely loves these candies right here? Every time I go into a restaurant to pick up food when I'm delivering, if they have these, I can't go for one, like one piece. I gotta go for one handful. I remember one time I really wanted a whole bunch of them, so I bought a whole bag. Yeah, I think I probably ate the whole bag in like one sitting, possibly. I don't exactly remember, but one thing I do know, I think I messed up my teeth eating all these candies, but they're definitely good. Picking up a Grubhub order. You guys, so much temptation right now. I'm pulling into Taco Bell to pick up an order for someone. My mind is racing right now. Should I not? I am on a very strict diet, so can't eat any carbs, can't eat any sugar, and so I don't know, like, should I not? Because I mean, I am on a strict diet, and I think, well, there goes my diet. So worth it though. But let me tell you some context behind it. So I was pulling into the drive-thru, and then I look at the menu, and they got something new on the menu. And if there's something new and it's Taco Bell, how am I supposed to go through the drive-thru and not try it out? All right, well, that's what I'm doing today. And no, I'm not trying out the nacho fries. I'm sure many of people have already tried that. It's this new burrito that they have. It doesn't look all that good on camera. I always eat my food, and if I have fries, I always put fries inside. They did the courtesy for me, and they put it inside. All right, well, I do have to be honest, so I'm probably gonna give this specific burrito 6 out of 10. I just realized, I guess I haven't been updating you guys on what time it is and, you know, how far along in the day I am. Right now, it is 3:10. And if you guys remember, I started at 8, so I'm ending at 4. So I have about 15 minutes left, 50. I am going to pick up some right now.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Picking up a Grubhub order.
Okay, actually I wanted.
That was the last order of the day that I'm picking up. It was from Carl's Jr. And let me tell you guys something. For some reason, I'm getting lucky with like these last orders. I remember last time, I think I was doing Uber Eats or DoorDash. I don't remember which one. And on the last order, I got a cash tip. And guess what? Just got a cash tip on this last order. I got a $5 bill. And I think he tipped me through the app too, so that was very generous of him. And I did realize one thing, and it's one thing that everyone should be very careful of when they're delivering, is to not forget to give the customer their drink. And that's exactly what I did not do. I forgot. Right now I'm finishing up, and I look back and I realize I have a drink that I did not deliver, unfortunately. I totally forgot about it. Now I'm probably just gonna have to like either throw it away or maybe give it a try. Maybe. Now, guys and girls, we get to the best part. Exactly what you came here for. So let's find out, how much did I exactly make working for Grubhub for 8 hours? And how much did that come out to an hour? Because you guys know, if it's below $20 per hour, I owe one of you guys in the comment section down below $50. I will break down what Grubhub paid me, how I usually do with all my other videos. I will mention what I was paid by Grubhub, and the second, how many tips did I receive. So in total for the day, I delivered 19 deliveries. And for those 19 deliveries, Grubhub paid me a base pay or delivery pay of $99.31. As far as the tips went, I received $72.22 in tips. So if we combine that all together, working for Grubhub for 8 hours, I made $171.53. And again, that is the gross pay. If we wanted to calculate how much I made after all my expenses, we would have to count the gas and the amount of money I spent on my food today. So as far as as gas went, I drove around 100 miles, and if you take the car I drive, the gas expense was $9. The food that I ate was around $6, so the total expenses for the day were around $15. Oh, and I did forget to add the $5 in cash tip that I received. So actually, the gross income was $176.53 if we include the $5 cash tip. So if we take the $176.53 and subtract out the $15 in expenses, our net income for the day came out to $161.53. So now let's find out how much did I make per hour, because this whole challenge depends on how much I made per hour. If we take the $161.53 and we divide it by 8 hours, I received $20.19. That is 19 cents more than what my goal was, because my goal was $20 per hour. And let me tell you guys something, if I did not receive that $5 bill at the end, I would have been below the $20 threshold. I would have been at $19.56. So that $5 bill really saved me at the end. But to be honest with you guys, I still want to do that $50 giveaway. So if you guys are interested and want to have a chance at winning that $50, definitely comment down below and let me know which of my videos are your favorite and which ones you guys want to see more of. And if you guys are interested to see who is going to win that $50, go follow me on Instagram, because that is where I will be announcing the winner of this week's giveaway. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate every minute that you spend watching my videos. And if you're not subscribed yet, definitely consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. And if you like this video, leave a like. Also turn your post notifications on, and also, like I said, comment down below if you want to win that $50. And once again, like I end all my videos, thank you guys for watching, and until the next video,
До свидания.